Rumors so far point to significant under-the-hood changes for the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. As for the hood itself, while exciting news for tech enthusiasts and Samsung fans, leaked images of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series have emerged thanks to Sonny Dixon on X, which give us a closer look at the design of these highly anticipated smartphones. While they are fake units, they give vital insight into what we might anticipate from the future flagship smartphones. These dummies resemble the Galaxy S23 series, with flat glossy sides, USB-C connections, and independently placed back cameras with metal housings. The Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out the most, with flatter sides and no discernible curvature on the rear panel sides. The Galaxy S23 Ultra was flatter than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, indicating that Samsung is gradually moving away from their one trademark feature of curved edge screens. The cameras on the base versions do not seem to have altered, however the two secondary cameras on the Ultra model appear to be a touch smaller, with the top one showing a single opening rather than two. This makes sense in light of rumors that the S24 Ultra's camera arrangement would be changed to a single telephoto camera with a 50MP resolution rather than the S23's twin 10MP zoom cameras. However, this might simply be a quirk of these dummies. Although these are dummy units and so unlikely to be built of the actual phone's components, we anticipate the genuine Galaxy S24 units to have Gorilla Glass front and back panels and potentially titanium side rails. The titanium could be exclusive to the Ultra model depending on which rumor source you believe. There's no sign of the display in these images and no indication of rumors relating to the phone's internals either, but if you're curious about what else has been tipped for the new Samsung flagship phones, according to rumors, they may utilize a combination of specially tuned Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400 processors, a 144Hz display for the Ultra model, and perhaps on-device generative AI capabilities in the form of Samsung Gauss. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.